Here is how you make these cool thumbnail files for your Figma design files. So I'm going to jump into a project file, and you want it to be an aspect ratio of 16 by 9. So the easiest thing to do is to make a frame that is a presentation that is 16 by 9. So I'm going to hit F, or you can choose the frame tool. Over on the right-hand side, if you expand the presentation presets, there is a slide 16 by 9, and you can click on that, and that'll give you 16 by 9 ratio. If you don't want it this big, this is actually the size they recommend. It's 1920 by 1080. It just has to be that ratio, so you could shift and make it smaller, whatever you want to do, or bigger. So I'm just going to make a simple one. I'll just make it black. I'll just do black with text. Do this. This is my thumbnail. Cool. So that's what I got. You can make it as fancy as you want, as you've seen. I'm just going to name this thumbnail so that I know what it is. You see these mostly in pages with the name of cover. It actually doesn't matter. You can have them anywhere, but you probably do want them to be separate so that you don't accidentally delete it. And then all you do is you right click or control click on your frame and down towards the bottom. Oh, there it is. Set as thumbnail. Ta-da! And that is it. It takes a minute sometimes. Let's see if it's loaded. Come on. Drafts. There it is. There's my thumbnail. Whoop, I just went away. Come back. There you go. It's a little funky for the first hour or two. Cool. Thanks.